right, so let's start the registration for a CNAM, which shows your business name as your caller ID. Um, we are back in settings and under phone numbers, and we went to trust centers, and then we're back where we saw that A2P wizard, but the tabs at the top is what we're looking for, and we're looking for the one that says CNAM voice. So when we click that, this is what page it brought us to. So we're going to click on registration, and we are going to our name here for our company right here. Right here, there's nothing there, even though it says lead connector. That's just an example of what you would actually see on the caller ID, or what you want to display on the caller ID, excuse me. So we're going to put our business name here. You can put up to 15 characters. So if you don't know what they are off the top of your head, I'm pretty sure mine is too long. There we go. All right, so here's the error message to let you know. So let's try to minimize this. So you can abbreviate it if that helps. Let's see. I can show it as that, or I can put it as CSLLC. I probably would want to just put it abbreviated as so. So that way, it doesn't look like you can't figure out what the name is because of the abbreviations. Just in case somebody does not recognize a number, especially if this is your first time calling them. So just my preference. But you can put whatever you would like for your name to be shown as. So we're going to click on I certify that the associated business profile is the originator of the phone calls and certify that the display name represents my business. All right, so I'm going to click submit. All right, and there we have it. We have our friendly name that will show up. And right now it'll be in review in progress. You can also come back to the same place to make sure that it was approved. Quick update. The CNAM has been approved. It took maybe about 2 weeks for the approval to come through.